Well, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to go over the modifications I did to my trailing FCX 24. All the upgrades I bought were from AliExpress. The wheels and tires are from Enjoy. The wheels are the stamped steel bead locks in a titanium finish. I did upgrade the inner rings to the brass ones, which add 8 grams over the stock ones. The tires are the Crawlmaster T1008 and the S3 compound. It's more of a crawler oriented tire. So tell me what you think in the comments below about me using a crawler tire for trailing. The front steering linkage has been upgraded to aluminum to eliminate play in the steering. Apparently 8 grams in each wheel isn't enough. Maybe in a future video I'll find out how much weight is necessary to do a 45-degree angle without flipping over. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode.